And there he is, Little Skelly Bones. We got a new animatronic. I think I'm more excited than the kid. They need to calm down. All right, we are here for the Little Skelly Bones unboxing. All right, it is time for the Little Skelly Bones unboxing. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's see. Is that the head? We just slid it open and Porter has found the head. Show us that head, Porter. Freaky. Here we have the Little Skelly Bones information manual. Here we have the parts and the cool step-by-step pictures on the back. Very detailed and nice. Spirit Halloween always has very detailed instructions how to set up your animatronics. So before we get going, let's see what we have here, Palmer. We have his arms. We have the front, I guess that's his shoulders. Of course the head that Porter really likes, his feet. 2 plastic feet for him. Let's see, we have his clothes. I love his little outfit, very cute, very trick-or-treatish. Some styrofoam protective parts. Here we have another one. That's either his arms or legs. And at the bottom we have the base. And that is the mechanism that makes him go up and down. We'll be showing that in a minute. All right, first things first, here we have the base. It's actually really sturdy. It is even welded together, so it's very sturdy. I am actually impressed with that, but he's going to need it because he has a really high-end mechanism. Okay, so we're gonna screw the pop-up mechanism to the base. You just put it right in and twist it. And Porter is over there playing with the plastic feet. So on this step, you match A to A's and you're going to turn clockwise. So now we're gonna attach the arms to the shoulders. Right in there, and it fits right like that. Are you putting on his feet? Okay, so we have zip tied his leg to the top of the shoulder. It gives you an indication there, and zip ties come with the kit. Next we are attaching the shoulders, and we have to put zip ties on that around these holes. Alright, so I just noticed this, but this is the IR sensor right here. So I just put one of the plastic feet into that. What are you doing up there? I see you up there. And so you put the plastic foot into each of the feet. That's really cool that the sensor's in the foot. I just now saw that. There's the cord to it. Okay, the next step, we gotta put the costume on the body. You ready, Porter? Even his garment says Spirit Halloween tag on it. So the hardest part was getting his styrofoam legs into the plastic feet, but they actually put little slits all the way down to kind of help you guide him. So it really wasn't as bad as it could have been. Now we're going to attach the head to the frame, and there's 2 small holes. Put 2 screws in. He's getting his head screwed on. Okay, so definitely the hardest part so far was getting both of these screws into his neck. Just kind of a tight space. Okay, we just hooked the chain onto the spring connected to his skull. Don't make the same mistake I did. I put the base on backwards. However, there is 4 screws you can unscrew under here, and I was able to move him around. So I just attached the mechanism box to the back. Now I'm gonna plug in that wire to that wire, and this wire to this wire, and we'll be close to finishing. Okay, I got the sensor plugged in the bottom. Now I got the power cord plugged in. And we're gonna do a little test run before I seal up the back. Alright, I just plugged it in and it went down into the lowest position.
Ready or not?
Haha. Looks like he's doing pretty good, so I can still up the back and get him going. I really like how this thing has a volume control, because if you're at a party and you don't want it to be loud and annoying, but you still want it to scare people, that's a very nice feature. Okay, he's all done up in the back. A cool thing is that he has some Velcro here that you can attach his hood so his hood doesn't go flying off. Now I'm gonna fix his legs and his arms and try him out. You ready? Palmer, what do you think? Da, da, da. Is that freaky? The hit kind of. Oh. What do you think, Porter? Creepy, huh? And you can. Got him from behind, and you can also turn off the noise. So if you don't want to hear him and you just want him to secretly scare people.
I like him.
Yeah, you like him, huh? I think I almost like him better without the noise because no one knows he's about to pop up. You just kind of like walk by, trip off the sensor, his eyes come on. Good. Say, hey, little skeleton man.
Hey. Hi.
Yeah, I like it better without the noise because you got the art of surprise.
Daddy, what's this?
Well, that concludes the unboxing.
Oh.
Is it gonna scare me again? Oh no. That concludes the unboxing. Hope you enjoy it. If you liked it, give us a subscribe, please. Have a happy Halloween coming up, 2022 spooky season. Well, we just ordered one more animatronic. Let's open it up and see what is moving already. Let me see what it is. Oh, this animatronic is named Poopies. Let's see what it does.
No,
Oh, wait a minute. I think you wave at him and he makes a little fart noise. You ready? Oh! New from Spirit Halloween 2022, Poopies the animatronic.